All right, hello guys. Today I'll be teaching us something very simple. It is simple, but you won't know it that it is simple if you don't know it. So something that you're supposed to spend maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds, you might end up spending 2 days or even 1 week doing it. All right, and you might even make mistake. So let's say this is a range of cells. This is data. We have here names, you have the region, reps, items, unit, and all of that. But this is what we are focusing on. We are focusing on range, this range, region, reps, and items. This is what we want to do today. Let's say you have all these names like this, items are like this, and your boss asks you to change this to scam. They are all in capital letters, by the way, and your boss asks you to change them to small letters. So what do? Are you going to start typing it one after the other like this? Are you going to start typing it after the other like this? Because you have to change it to small letters. What if you have over thousands of names to change? You might spend 1 month and you might not even be done. And then it's also prone to mistakes in the course of typing. Instead of writing pencil, you might end up writing penco, where you won't even know. So let's undo Control Z, by the way. And then, so what do? That is where this comes in. Proper function. The function is proper. It changes the letters to small letters. So it's only the first letter that will be capitalized. So let's start. So the equal sign, every Excel formula start with the equal sign, and then you type proper. So this is proper here. You can see close bracket, open parenthesis, and close parenthesis. Over to the range of cell. You want to change their cases like this. All right, that is the end. Then you click on enter. Okay, so east here has become east, but with the only first letter capitalized. Jones has become this Jones, and pencil here has become pencil. So now the next thing is how to paste it, how to move it from here to here. Okay, normally people will want to say, okay, yeah, copy and paste, but if you copy this and paste, you will not get the right value. If you copy and paste, this is what you get. But now what you do is you paste as values. So let's Control Z, paste as values. So to paste as values, all you need to do is you come to where this is start from here, and then you right click and paste. This is the values. Okay, you paste as values. This if you use this, you won't get the right result, but you paste as values. And this is it. Can you see now that everything is in place and it is properly aligned? Then you can then come along to delete this. So these are the things that make you stand out from work, and these are the things that set you up for promotion when the time comes. So while your colleagues are spending 1 week to do it, you have just spent over less than a minute to achieve the task. So this is how to be efficient in your job. And mind you, by the way, there's a reverse function. Let's say your boss asks you to change all this to capital letter. Probably, a site is not you can't see letters when they are too small, so you prefer capital letters. There's a reverse function to this, and we are going to deal with this in the next video. All right, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you, everybody.